My name is Dr. V. Anil Kumar, Assistant Professor of Zoology. So today I want to take the phylum Chordata classification. Uh, with this, this is semester 2. This phylum Chordata, it is mainly classifying into two two subgroups, two major groups. One is Acraniata and Craniata. So in Acraniata, in that there are three subphylums are there, which are one is Hemichordata, and the second one is Urochordata, and third one is Cephalochordata. And in Craniata, only one subphylum is there, that is Vertebrata. Now coming to this Hemichordata, it is further divided into two classes, Enteroneusta and Pterobranchia. But Urochordata subphylum, it is further divided into three classes, Asteaceae, Thaliaceae, Larvaceae. But in Cephalochordata, further it will not classified into any other classes. Now coming to Vertebrata, it is further divided into two divisions. One is Agnatha and second one is Agnatostomata. Now in Agnatha subdivision, it is divided into two classes. One is Ostracodermy and Cyclostomata. Now here the now in fishes there are three classes are there: Placodermy, Chondrichthyes, Osteichthyes. Now in Gnathostomata, uh, another superclass, that is Tetrapoda. In Tetrapoda there are four classes are there. One is Amphibia, the second one Reptilia, third one Aves, and fourth one is Mammalia. So this is entire phylum Chordata classification. This is the classification of phylum Chordata. So here we will discuss one by one. In coming to first major group, that is Acraniata. Now in Acraniata, which means uh, without brain box, or cranium is absent in these animals. Around head there is no cranium, uh, there is no brain box in these animals, and that's why these Acraniata animals are lower chordates. They are lower chordates. Now, the first subphylum in Hemichordata we will see now. In Hemichordata, in subphylum, all these are marine, and they are all are living in marine water. In Hemichordata, actually the absence of true notochord, it is called as stomochord. It is present in the roof of buccal cavity. Now, actually, it is hemichordata considered as a connecting link between echinodermata and chordata. The best example is Belenoglasses. It is now. So now second subphylum, that is Urochordata. Now coming to Urochordata, all urochordates are living in marine water. So these are commonly called tunicates. So why? Because these around the body of these animals is covered by tunicin layer. It is cellulose, similar to the cellulose. So that's why we call it as a tunicates. All these animals are called as tunicates. Tunicates. So uh, that is the importance of the. So here these in this Urochordata, the notochord is present in larval tail. That is the important thing. In adults, this this notochord is not present. So here, that is the main important. This notochord is present in up to the larval tail. That's why this name is called uro. Uro means tail. So the notochord is extended up to the tail region. So the circulatory system in these animals open type. There is no blood vessels in these animals. The heart is tubular, tubular like heart is present. And another most important thing in this Urochordata, the respiratory pigment is vanadium. So that is the important thing. Vanadium. Now the another important thing, all are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodites means the all are bisexuals, both male female reproductive organs are present in same individual. So that is the main important. The coming to here, the fertilization is uh, cross or external fertilization. Cross or external fertilization. So that is the main important here. So this is the characteristic features of Urochordata. Now the Urochordata in this divided into three classes. Three classes. One is Acidaceae, second one Thaliacea, and Larvaceae. So in Acidaceae, the commonly in Acidaceans are commonly called sea squirts. These are commonly called sea squirts, and sessile these are, and solitary. Solitary means they are living individually, and sessile means they are living at one place. They can't move. So here the some animals are colonial mode of life. Some animals living group wise like. So the important thing in these animals, they are exhibits retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis will be exhibited. Uh, Now second class, that is Thaliacea. 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 These animals are free swimming, and free swimming and pelagic, solitary, and pelagic means they are floating animals. So some animals are colonial, colonial mode of life, and in these animals there exhibits alternation of generations. So that is the important thing of these animals. So here mainly third class, that is Larvaceae. In Larvaceae, these are free swimming. These are also, and pelagic and all are solitary, and there is no true test is absent around the body, and these are best example for neoteny animals. The neoteny means even though in larval stage the animals are they are sexually mature, so that's why these animals are called neoteny. So these neoteny animals are exhibits pedomorphism. So that is important of uh, Urochordata. Now uh, coming to Cephalochordata. Now the Cephalochordata here, the main important thing, these are commonly called lancelets. Lancelets are the commonly called, and cephalochordates are all are living in marine water, and body is usually looking like a small fish like and transparent, and the median fins present, and paired fins are absent, and notochord is extends up to the head region. Notochord is extends up to the head region, and all chordate characters are retained throughout life. All chordate characters retained throughout life, and the respiratory organ and the pigment, respiratory organs and pigments, and blood corpuscles are absent. Blood corpuscles are also absent, and the major important thing, the blood corpuscles are absent, and excretory organs in these animals protonephridias. These are also called solenocytes. So solenocytes is the common name of excretory organs, and cephalochordates are these are unisexual, and most of them all are unisexual, and many pair of gonads, and without gonoducts, and fertilization is occurs, and free swimming larva free swimming larval stage will be present in these animals, and the best example in these animals, branchiostoma. In cephalochordata, the best example is branchiostoma. It is commonly called amphiaxis. Now second most important subgroup, that is craniata. The craniata is present in higher animals, higher chordates. This is very important. In higher chordates, these craniata will be there. The craniata is nothing but with brain box or cranium. The cranium around the head, the cranium is present. Around the head, cranium is present, and now vertebrate in the craniata only one subphylum is there, that is vertebrata. That is brain is protected by cranium. Brain is protected by cranium, and notochord is partially completed and replaced by vertebral column. Only this notochord is present in only in young stage only. It is purely replaced by vertebral column. Now in these vertebrates, heart is 2 to 4 chambered heart is present, and another most important thing, hepatic and portal systems are present in this. Hepatic and renal portal systems are present in these animals. And circulatory system is closed type, means the blood vessels are present in these animals clearly, and in the blood hemoglobin is also present, and all are unisexual animals. This is very very important. And in this vertebrata, it is further divided into agnatha and gnatha stomata. Agnatha means these are jawless vertebrates. Gnathostomata means they are having jaws. So in agnatha, these jawless vertebrates, there are the most important thing is ostracodermy. In ostracodermy, these are jawless extinct vertebrates. Jawless extinct vertebrates means they are presently these ostracodermy animals are not living on the earth. They are already extincted. So that's why these are extinct vertebrates. And in these animals, the paired fins are absent. Paired fins are absent, and the skin was covered by bony dermal scales. So this is very very important. The skin is covered by bony dermal scales. The so that's why this ostracodermy name is given due to having of bony dermal scales. So another important thing, scales are fused to form bony shield on the head. So that is the important thing. So a bony shield is present on the head region. So that is the important thing. And 10 pairs of gill slits and cranial nerves are present in these animals. 10 pairs of gill slits and cranial nerves were present in these animals. So the best example of this ostracodermy, cephalaspis and hemicyclospis. So these two best examples of about ostracodermy. About ostracodermy, these are the two best examples, cephalaspis and hemicyclospis. So now with this is the phylum chordata classification. So this is about the classification about